Hello friends, welcome to the Kite Shop conference room. I'm putting together a kite today. I thought it was pretty cool and I just want to share it with you. So let's put it together. This is what it looks like fully assembled. And this is what it looks like unassembled, laying on the table. Here is the first part of it. Already started. It's kind of complicated. I'm not really going to explain this. I'm just going to figure it out. But it would be cool just to watch it come together, I think. So here we go. This is a Compound D made by Robert Brasington Kites. It looks a lot harder than what it is to assemble. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on this because we've got to get out to the flying field soon, and it's a beautiful kite. It is starting to come together. There's a missing end on one side of it, but you get the point. It looks pretty sweet, and I'll find a repair part here and fix that. Might have noticed in the background some other cool kites just waiting to go up on the walls. Got this old Deca, mini Deca, signed by some old team members of a show in the past. I know I said the Kite Shop, that is Kiteman Productions Kite Shop. This is just our conference room. Right now we're kind of full of kites. We've got all these cool valley kites hanging out. Another table full of them we're sorting through right now. These are pretty large, detailed valley kites. Cool. Birds of prey. This box kite that my friend Wayne Hosking made a long time ago. We do fly it, but it looks cool in this lamp. We pay homage to our water skier friends. I have this old Cypress Gardens Ski hiding in the bag. Bruce told me was the missing part, so we don't have to make something up. Okay, so Rob and Bruce are now helping. I think we discovered that there's more to it.
Well, look, see, there's a line that comes down.
Oh, and that's what's going to hook to that.
It's always good to have friends help.
What's the picture?
It's nice it's in the air conditioning too, because it's blazing hot outside that window right now.
This is the top.
Okay, figured it out now. Now it's time to take it apart and take it to a kiting event. This video is not sponsored by the American Kite Flyers Association, but it is a good idea to go there and become a member for $40 and change a year. And you too can receive one of these magazines in the mail. Well, not one of these. These are old ones. But you get a new one in the mail. Thanks for watching today, friends. I hope you join us on the flying field to watch this kite fly. Hopefully there's enough wind. I'll see you in the next video, and happy flying.